Hello everyone, it's Annette. I'm so happy that you're here. I hope you like my layout process. I am working with Pinkfresh Studio Let's Stay Home collection. I had the idea to use a rainbow paper in a really fun way. I had two sheets of this paper. I'm using the rainbow side of it and also the blue side of it. I fussy cut the rainbow first and then I doodled a big cloud. I want the rainbow to float into the cloud. I'm planning the arrangement and after that I'm tracing the cloud. I cut the cloud shape with a craft knife. I know this is not so easy, but you only need a good knife and a little practice, and that's all. Don't throw away the cutout clouds because this can be used on the layout as well. I wanted to create some depth, so I used foam tape in the background and also under my rainbow. I doodled some more clouds to decorate my layout with, and I also used some ephemera and cardstock stickers. There are so many to choose from in this collection. Pinkfresh Studio chooses the perfect colors always. The color scheme of this collection, the Let's Stay Home collection, is so beautiful. It's just perfect. On the photo you can see my teenage daughter after getting home from a hard school day. She was laying down on the carpet and Max got on his back, a little dog, and they were so lovely. I just have to take a photo. I decided to do some stitching on my clouds so they stand out more. These are just little lines along the edges with white and black pan. I'm writing my comment along the rainbow and add some enamel dots. And these enamel dots are so lovely, they are more puffy than usual. I want to use them all. So that was it. I hope you liked my result. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell to get notification if we upload new videos. I hope to see you in my next video too. Bye!